Welcome viewers, welcome to my channel, Tutor Cletus Okoli. In today's mathematics class, we'll have an exponential equation. And this is an Olympiad math question. If x raised to the power 2 minus 3x plus 1 is equal to 0, then x raised to the power 4 plus 1 all over x raised to the power 4 is equal to what? Watch till the end. Like my videos, subscribe to my channels, and drop your comments in the comment section. Alright, we dive in. Solution to the question. Starting from the equation that is given, that x raised to the power 2 minus 3x plus 1 is equal to 0. Ordinarily, looking at the question the way it is given, 1 may be expected to solve this since it is a quadratic equation to get the values of x and then replace the values of x and get the answer. But by Olympiad question, that is not the standard approach. So going by the standard approach, first thing I will do is to move minus 3x to the right hand side. And that is going to give me x raised to the power 2 plus 1 equal to 3x. The next step that I will take is to find the square of both sides, and that is going to give me x squared plus 1 raised to the power 2 equal to 3x raised to the power 2. So I'm squaring both sides of the equation. Now, by expansion from the left hand side, x raised to the power 2 squared will give me x raised to the power 4. That means that x raised to the power 2 squared is the same thing as x raised to the power 2 multiplied by 2, which is x raised to the power 4. Okay? The next thing I will do is to multiply the two terms. X squared times 1 will give me x squared. Then times 2 will give me 2x squared plus 2x squared. Then 1 squared will give me plus 1. And by the right hand side, 3 squared will give me 9, and the x squared will give me x squared, that is x raised to the power 2. Good. At this point, I can just collect like terms by moving these 2x squared to the right hand side, since I have 9x squared by the right hand side. And that becomes for me x raised to the power 4 plus 1 equal to 9x squared minus 2x squared. By this, I am going to have x raised to the power 4 plus 1 equal to 7x squared. Beautiful. We keep moving on. Remember, our target is to get x raised to the power 4 plus 1 all over x raised to the power 4. We want to see what the value will be. And from what we are doing, we are getting there. Just keep watching. Remember to like my videos. Remember to subscribe if you have not subscribed. Alright. Now, I will still square again both sides of the equation. And that gives me x raised to the power 4 plus 1, then raised to the power 2 equal to 7x raised to the power 2 all squared. Alright? Like I expanded here, I will begin to expand this. And to expand this means x raised to the power 4 times 2, which is 8. Okay? Now, I will multiply the two times, which is x raised to the power 4 times 1 will give me x raised to the power 4. Then times 2 will now give me plus 2x raised to the power 4. Again, 1 raised to the power 2 is equal to 1. And by the right hand side, 7 raised to the power 2 will give me 49. And the x raised to the power 2 also raised to the power 2 will be the powers multiply each other to give me x raised to the power 4. This is where I am now. I have squared both sides of the equation, and this is the result. Since I have x raised to the power 4 by the right hand side, I will now move the the expression 2x raised to the power 4 to the right hand side to get x raised to the power 8 plus 1 equal to 49x raised to the power 4 minus 2x raised to the power 4. Therefore, I will have x raised to the power 8 plus 1 equal to 49x raised to the power 4 minus 2x raised to the power 4 will now give me 47x raised to the power 4. Very good. At this point, what I want to do next is to divide both sides of the equation by x raised to the power 4. And when that happens, I shall now have x raised to the power 8 plus 1 divided by x raised to the power 4 equal to 47x raised to the power 4 divided by x raised to the power 4. So what I am doing now is to divide both sides of the equation by x raised to the power 4. And when that happens, from here, since it is a common denominator, it can be written as x raised to the power 8 all over x raised to the power 4, then plus 1 all over x raised to the power 4 equal to x raised to the power 4 at the denominator. We cancel x raised to the power 4 at the numerator, leaving me with 47 by the right hand side. And by law of indices, if I have x raised to the power a all over x raised to the power b, it is equal to x raised to the power a minus b. So applying this law of indices to the x raised to the power 8 over x raised to the power 4, it will now give me x raised to the power 8 minus 4, then plus 1 all over x raised to the power 4 equal to 47. Okay? Now, looking at this, we can now have, by the left hand side, I will have left x raised to the power 4, that is 8 minus 4, then plus 1 all over x raised to the power 4 equal to 47. At this point, I want you to look very well to what we have. Look at what we are asked to find. X raised to the power 4 plus 1 all over x raised to the power 4. What should it be? The question mark is asking for the question. And if you look at what we have, x raised to the power 4, x raised to the power 4 plus 1 all over x raised to the power 4, 1 all over x raised to the power 4 is equal to what? It is equal to 47. It means that we have come to the end of this question. We have solved it excellently and in the way that is required by Olympiad Maths. Therefore, our answer to this question is equal to 47. Thank you for watching this video to the end. Remember to subscribe to my channel and also like my videos. God bless you.